Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we do the hard work so you can buy smart. Today, we're soaring into the skies with two budget-friendly drones, the Heygelo S90 and the DEERC D70. Who will fly high and who will crash and burn? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The Heygelo S90 boasts a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. That's right, friends, you can finally get those epic aerial shots of your neighbor's backyard barbecue without them even knowing. Just kidding. Or am I? Smirk. On the flip side, the DEERC D70 also packs a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. It's like they copied each other's homework, but changed it just enough to avoid detention. Both drones let you capture those Instagram-worthy shots, but which one makes you look like an amateur Spielberg? Let's find out. Reviewers say the Heygelo S90's camera is satisfactory for their needs, whereas the DEERC D70's camera quality is seen as low but functional. Next, let's talk user-friendliness. The Heygelo S90 says it's user-friendly with multiple control options: remote, app, voice, gravity. That's right, you can talk to it like you're Iron Man. Hey drone, take a selfie. But the DEERC D70 isn't backing down. It offers one-key takeoff, wash landing, altitude hold, and even a headless mode for those of us who can't tell left from right. Perfect for beginners or people who just don't want to read a manual. Seriously, who reads those? Reviewers find the Heygelo S90's app easy to use and set up a breeze, while the DEERC D70 is praised for its beginner-friendly controls and durability. Now, let's dive into the fun stuff. The Heygelo S90 promises more than 10 professional stunts, including 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotations. It's like Cirque du Soleil in your backyard. The DEERC D70 isn't just sitting on the sidelines. It offers 360 degrees flips, high-speed rotation, and circle fly. Plus, it has this cool throw-to-go feature. Just toss it in the air and it starts flying. It's like magic, or maybe just really good engineering. Reviewers appreciate the Heygelo S90's fun stunts and long battery life, while the DEERC D70's throw-to-go feature and easy-to-fly nature are a hit. How about portability? The Heygelo S90 is foldable and fits in your backpack. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. The DEERC D70 takes it a step further. It's palm-sized and can even fit in your pocket. Perfect for those spontaneous drone sessions when you're bored at the park. At battery life, the Heygelo S90 gives you 26 minutes of flight time with two modular batteries. That's enough time to annoy your neighbors twice. Meanwhile, the DEERC D70 doesn't specify its flight time, but hey, it's a drone, not a Tesla. You might just have to carry a power bank. Reviewers love the Heygelo S90's long battery life and portability, while the DEERC D70's compact size and ease of transport are highly appreciated. Reviewers have mixed experiences with both drones. The Heygelo S90 is praised for its durability, long battery life, and ease of use, making it a great entry-level option. However, some users have issues with the controller in windy conditions and the app design. On the other hand, the DEERC D70 is appreciated for its good build quality, easy controls, and fun features. But some users report issues with the camera quality and connectivity. Both drones offer great value for their price, but the choice depends on your specific needs, whether you prioritize battery life and durability or ease of use and fun features. So which drone takes the crown? The Heygelo S90 with its Iron Man-like control options and Cirque du Soleil stunts, or the DEERC D70 with its beginner-friendly features and pocket-sized portability? The choice is yours, smart shoppers. Drop your pick in the comments below and let us know which drone you think flies higher. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.